This is Chemistry Monkey. He works as a chemistry teacher. His paycheck? Not great. Life in the jungle isn't cheap, and he wants more bananas, fast. First, Monkey tries the easy way. He plans to rob the banana bank, but that fails spectacularly. So instead, Monkey uses what he knows about science to invent a special banana-flavored candy and starts selling it to other monkeys. The candy is a hit. Everybody wants it. Monkey gets rich, really rich. Trouble is, the jungle government steps in. They declare the candy illegal because of dangerous side effects. No more making it, no more selling it. Just like that, Chemistry Monkey's business is shut down. The money he earned from the candy? That's dirty banana. Money made by breaking the rules. He can't just spend it openly because the authorities are always watching, always looking for monkeys doing shady stuff. What to do? Monkey talks to a shady lawyer. Together they hatch a plan. Launder the dirty money. Here's how it works in Monkey's world. He takes his big stack of dirty banana money and splits it into lots of smaller piles. That way the government won't see one giant pile and get suspicious. He feeds those smaller piles into various jungle businesses, a car wash, a massage parlor, a juice bar slinging banana milkshakes, etc. That's called layering. The idea is the dirty cash gets mixed in with legitimate earnings from regular businesses. As these businesses make regular sales, some of the dirty banana money looks like it's just another sale. The mix gets deeper. Over time, it all looks legit, like honest profit from good business. Finally, the mixed-up money gets reintegrated into the jungle economy. On paper, it looks like all income from legal ventures. Chemistry Monkey can now buy banana trees, fancy candy machines, maybe even that shiny car his kid keeps begging for. Monkey's happy for a little while. But once he tastes wealth, he wants more. So he scales up, hires help, secretly teams up with fried chicken franchises to distribute his candy across the jungle, etc. All that dirty money keeps multiplying, and so does the need to clean it so it doesn't get him in trouble. To stay under the radar, Monkey starts investing in a variety of businesses: a pet grooming salon, a banana delivery service, small side ventures. The more different the business is, the harder it is for the jungle government to trace what money was ever dirty. But it's a risky game. One slip-up, one business gets audited, one employee talks, one law enforcement monkey smells something, and it could all collapse. The consequences: loss of wealth, loss of freedom, maybe worse. If you're ever mixed up, this is just a fun story explaining how dirty money can be made to look clean. It's not a how-to guide and definitely not legal advice. Do not sue Monkey. Thanks for watching.